Moana's journey started from the small island of Motunui, where she was born. She always felt a deep connection to the ocean, and it had been calling her for as long as she could remember. Her people needed her to find the heart of Te Fiti to save their dying island. Determined to embark on her adventure, Moana set out to restore the balance, aided by her unlikely companion, Heihei, a rather clueless but loyal chicken. As they sailed into the horizon, Heihei often found himself in precarious situations, pecking at things he shouldn't and sometimes falling overboard, only to be saved by the watchful ocean that seemed to have a mind of its own. The ocean was not merely a backdrop to Moana's journey, it was a living, breathing entity that assisted her in her quest. It often helped Heihei and Moana back onto the canoe when they were thrown off by surprise waves, whispering subtle guidance where needed. Encounters with monsters were inevitable in the vastness of the sea. Moana faced daunting challenges, such as the cunning coconut pirates and the colossal sea creature. Her courage was unwavering, driving her to tackle each obstacle head-on, fueled by a promise to save her home and her deep love for her people. As they navigated through starry nights and turbulent days, Moana and Heihei formed an unbreakable bond. Their friendship was solidified by shared fears and victories, strengthened as they conquered dangers lurking in the shadows of the ocean. One of the most formidable tests was when they met Maui, a shape-shifting demigod with an imposing figure and an ego to match. After a rocky start, Maui became an indispensable ally, teaching Moana essential lessons about navigating the seas and embracing her destiny. Moana's journey was filled with luminescent revelations, battles against mythical creatures, and the discovery of inner strength. Her resolve and the unwavering support of her friends led her to find the heart of Te Fiti, bringing it back to restore her island's vibrant life. In the end, Moana returned home, not only as a savior, but as someone who had learned to trust herself and embrace the journey. The ocean, Heihei, Maui, and her experiences molded her into a wise leader, ready to guide her people with confidence and hope.